Apple Intelligence is designed to let you perform a number of actions, including the ability to rewrite a note. Yeah, you got that right. You can use the Apple Intelligence to rewrite a note in the stock note-taking app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. So if you're willing to unlock this handy feature, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get us started faster, you have to launch the Apple Notes app on your iDevice. After that, you have to open the note that you want to rewrite, and then you have to select the text in question. And now you have to click on the Apple Intelligence icon, and finally you have to choose the rewrite option in the menu, and you're all set. It will instantly rewrite your note. Now you can check the given text, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily rewrite your note in iOS 18, iPadOS 18, or macOS 15 secure or later. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.